So in this video, I will show you how you can make your first $10,000 with this software that I'm about to show you. Now, before showing you the software and what this software does, let me first introduce you to the idea, and it's going to be a very simple idea for most of the beginners, and that's the idea of selling a service. Now, not just any kind of service. Not many people are talking about this, but let me kind of visualize it right here. So you have a person, right? And that person is a business owner. So that person is a business owner. That person wants more money, or that person wants more time, right? So one of these or both, this is what the person needs. Now, I'm a business owner. I sometimes go and I sometimes hire people for a specific service. But what if I can tell you that you can, as a business owner, right, if you're watching this, sell a service that I'm about to show you, which right now is going to be a mystery, that saves both time and money and also makes them, scales their company basically. So this is the service that I'm about to showcase to you today. And this is the service that any beginner can start selling with the software that I'm about to show you today. So first of all, I gotta say that this service right here, I gotta reveal the service because you wouldn't really understand what I'm trying to say here. This service is called AI Automations, or simply called Automations. Now, each business needs automations. Why? Because they want to, maybe a business, like for example, me, myself, I don't want to hire another VA. So what I will do is I will hire another robot, which is an AI robot, right? Because with AI robot, I don't have to be emotionally attached to it. I don't have to talk with it. He will just do the job, he or she, if I can label it like that. But you get the point. So you can sell AI automations that will save time and money to business owners for thousands of dollars. Now, you only need 5 to 10 clients to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, which is pretty easy in this niche. Now, one example of the automation agency right here is AI automation agency, which is called X Automation. So they actually combine artificial intelligence with automations to create incredibly efficient processes that connect apps and automate actions between them. So basically, this will replace manual work for massive gains within, other people's companies. And this is exactly what this agency is already doing. Now, at the start, you don't need to know how these automation works, like how they work and how you can execute on them. So basically, the software that I'm using for this is called GoHighLevel. This is how I'm helping other business owners to automate a certain task. For example, as you can see right here, we have lead nurture flow. So this is actually a way, whenever someone schedules a call with me, this is automation that basically, I will show you right now. So whenever someone schedules a call with me, and let's say that someone doesn't show up to the call, we have automation right here that will send emails and SMS to them if they didn't show up to the call, to basically reschedule a call with us again. This is how the automation works and looks like. So it's a quite complicated automation for beginners, but you don't need to create such complicated automations. What you can do is you can go back. And by the way, you can check out a 30-day free trial link for GoHighLevel below. We have a completely 30-day free trial link for those of you who want to try this out. But you simply go create a workflow, select a recipe. There are already pre-made recipes and templates that you can use. So one of the recipes is, for example, Instagram comment automation. So you can use this recipe to automate the DM replies to comments on Instagram. And you can sell this to other creators. So let's say we want to select this, we select this, and now it's going to open up right here. So we need to wait a little bit, but it's going to open up right here, and I will show you how you can edit it. So as you can see, the trigger is obviously what is going to trigger the automation. So the trigger will be Instagram comments on a post. We click on that trigger, and as you can see here, we can actually go and also use filters. For example, page is, and we can select the page. We don't have any page connected right now. However, once we save this, let's say we save this, we have respond on comment. So we can go here, we can adjust the comments, right? Messages, we can also adjust the messages, as you can see right here. You can also add first name. For example, you can add first name right here, user, first name. So this will automate the user first name. So if I, if John reaches out to me, I will say, hey, John. And obviously, you know, that's pretty much like the beginning stuff. But what I wanted to kind of tell you is, what type of businesses can you actually go and use this for? So you can use this for SaaS businesses, creators or influencers, other agencies, because other agencies, maybe they don't know or they don't specialize in automations. And you can use this also within e-commerce businesses. And this is pretty much like any business where, there is info products, maybe like info products, info products. So those are the type of businesses you can kind of reach out to. Now, obviously, I'll just show you how this works. I'll not show you how to find these businesses, but if you want, I can create another video on, how to find these businesses. So you get the point, right? You have automation, you have, you're saving pretty much time to other people. If you go here, you can select a recipe. We have a bunch of recipes here. For example, as you can see here, let's do this, like email drip sequence. So you can add contacts to this workflow to drip them out, to drip them a series of emails over time. This recipe uses the email open condition to resend each email. So this is like a follow-up. So you can implement this in an agency, or you can implement this in, for example, e-commerce brand, like easily. What you can also do is you have like a lot of recipes right here that you can use, like appointment confirmation. This is exactly what I was talking to you about. This is exactly what we have in our agency. And we actually hired someone to do this for us. So you get the point, right? So this is exactly what you can sell to other people. Now, if you want, I can show you in another video how everything works. But yeah, like in the meantime, you can check out the 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel. And yeah, from there, just comment below what you want to see next. Do you want to see how I'm finding these people? Do you want to see that? Or do you want to see how, like what type of automations you want to sell? Do you want to see how to be specific? Like in a market like this, you need to be specific. Who are you helping? What are you helping them with, and how? That's exactly what you want to state. So who, what, and then how. So for example, that could be, I'm helping dentists to save more time with automations. For example, who, what, how. So that's exactly what you can cover. So comment below what you want to see next. We will cover all the topics you want in the next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.